Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Orlando Pirates have been eliminated from the CAF Champions League in the preliminary rounds. So this year they won't be playing in the group stages. Now there's a player who stole the show during the Orlando Pirates versus St. Lupopo game. His name is Diemesi Mukoko Amale. Yes, Mukoko. We saw him doing antics during the game, which resulted in two players getting red cards. His teammate, who was wrongfully sent off instead of Mukoko, and also Tshepang Moremi from Orlando Pirates, after Mukoko went to headbutt Masindi Nemtanjela. This happened just after Orlando Pirates scored the first goal through Nemtanjela, and that's when Mukoko started his antics, and he continued throughout the game to do those antics. He has been trending ever since that game against Orlando Pirates. And now we take a look at who Mukoko is. So Mukoko is a 27-year-old born in Kinshasa, DR Congo, and he also represents the Democratic Republic of Congo at international, meaning that there's a high possibility that we might see Mukoko during the African Cup of Nations in Morocco later this year. Yeah, I think a lot of people, they will want to see Mukoko to see if he will be continuing with those antics. Mukoko has been capped 23 times by the DR Congo, and he has previously played for AS Vita and also Motema Pembe. However, we didn't know much about Mukoko prior to this game against Orlando Pirates, where Orlando Pirates fought back and managed to equal the tie, winning the home game 3-0 to overturn the away game which they lost 3-0. However, they lost on penalties, with St. Lupopo going through and Orlando Pirates crashing out of the Champions League. And it's amazing to know that Mukoko was not punished for his behavior. So yeah, there have been some questions to say that what's going on, what's wrong with African officiating. Because firstly, his teammate got a red card when it was supposed to be Mukoko who got a red card. And then throughout the game, he was doing antics, bullying players. Even on the bench, we saw him when he went to CBC and he was trying to bully CBC. And also, he went to Ozwin-Apolis when Ozwin-Apolis was just standing near the center, and he provoked Apolis, and he didn't even get a yellow card for that. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Mukoko, and do you think that this kind of behavior is accepted in the game of football? Let me hear your thoughts down below, because yeah, right now we know that there was no VAR, so some of the things that Mukoko did, the referee might have missed, just like that mistaken identity where his teammate was sent off. Remember, we heard that Orlando Pirates were not treated well when they first went to DR Congo. Yeah, we heard that there were a lot of things that were going on in that first league that we won't get to in this video. And even the St. Lupopo team, we heard that they were denied access and they had to fight with the security officials at the gates. So yeah, it seems like this tie has been overshadowed by controversy. Yeah, right now let's celebrate 3 teams from South Africa who have progressed to the group stages of the CAF Champions League and also the CAF Confederations Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns being the only club from South Africa to progress to the CAF Champions League, and also Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch FC progressing to the group stages of the CAF Confederations Cup. That's the end of the news for today. Let me hear your thoughts down below. See you next time.